Everywhere on the internet they talk about stock market, but the real problem is they don't teach us what is the stock market and what are the basics of it. So today in this video I'm going to share you what are the basics of stock market that every individual that needs to know. So before getting into this topic, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to her and click on the bell icon. So let's get into this video. Stock market is a virtual marketplace where traders, investors, individuals like us go and buy stocks or shares of a company. So let's talk about who are the traders, investors, individuals in the later part of the video. So now you know there will be stocks, shares of a company in a share market. But what is meant by shares? What is meant by stocks? So let's get into that particular thing. So stocks are the part ownership of a particular company. So let's say there is a company named Tesla. So that company Tesla is now a 100% owned company. So if you buy a stock of a Tesla, that means you're buying a 0.00001% ownership of that company, and that is meant by that particular one stock. So if you are buying a stock from the Tesla, that means you are a part owner of that stock or that company. So this is how the stock or the share of the company that works. So the prices of the stock varies from one company to another company. The price of a stock of a Tesla can be varied from a Tata or Jaguar or whatever it may be. So the price varies from company to company. So let's say you are buying a stock of a company for $250. So let's say the company performs well in the future. So there is a major development, there is a major prospects that is going on in that particular company. So that in that case, the price of that stock goes up from 250 to 300, 400, 500 or something, anything like that. But if that is vice versa of such thing happens, that is the company performs poor, that means the price of that particular stock you have bought goes down. So it may be from 250 to 200, 150, 100, something like that. So that is how the prices of the stock goes up or goes down. So let's talk about who are the traders or who are the investors and individuals. So traders are someone who buy and sell the stocks in a short-term way. So there will be a particular time period. So that in that time period they will be selling those stocks, and there will be time period they will be buying those stocks back. So the investors are exact opposite of the traders. So they buy stocks for the longest terms. For example, for a great investor can be a Warren Buffett. So he will be buying a stock in his 26th age, but still he kept the stock of Coca-Cola. That is a perfect example of an investor. So individuals are like us who buy stocks and sells like that stock company. So the main motto, the main thing that you need to know about stock market is you have to judge the performance, the development of a particular company to go through your market. So that is the main thing. So there are so many external companies that are developing their companies to help individuals like us to improve their game in stock market for individuals like us. So as an individual, we don't know more about stock market, but there are some key players, there are some great players who are well versed in stock market who play the game for us in the exchange of some fees or capital. So that is how the stock market game works. So I hope you have understood what are the basics of stock market. I hope that I haven't covered the deep fundamentals of a stock market, but I have covered what is meant by stock market and how does it works in a basic way. Before getting into the conclusion of the video, we have to know that there is two part in stock markets. There is a public listed company and a private listed company. A public listed companies are companies which are and claim them as a public, so that any public, any common people, any individuals, any traders, anyone can buy their stock or the share. While there is a private listed companies where we can't buy the stock or share of that private listed companies. So most of the big companies are Apple, Tesla, Tata, Hyundai, whatever the company is, they are as in public listed companies. So there will be some small scale industries which will be acting as a private listed companies. I hope you have understood the basics of stock market through this video. So today my question to yourself is, will you invest in the stock market in the future? If you're going to invest in the stock market, which is the first company stock you will be buying in the first place? So tell me in the comments. I will be waiting for your comment. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next.